Hey, hope everyone had a good Memorial Day weekend. Got another little package here. So Urban EDC had a Memorial Day sale, 23% off some things. So, I caved into the temptation. Sitting around like, maybe I won't buy a knife for a while. Hey, we got 23% off. Okay, let's see what that. Oh, got a little card. It's interesting. Urban EDC. What do we got? Another Chaves Liberation 229 Tanto Black Cheetah. Let's check it out. Very cool. It's a nice size knife here. M390. Got Mr. Skullface. G10 feels really good on these. Looks almost kind of like a weave pattern, but it's bumpy and grippy. Let's give her a first flick. Whoa. Yeah. Very nice looking blade. I like how these compound grinds look. Ooh. It's nice and thin there. Feels great in the hand. Probably be carrying this guy a lot. This thing's pretty sweet. Let's see. Little, about an 8 1/8, almost 8 1/4 inch overall. Total blade length, almost just under 4 inches. 3.5 cutting edge. Yeah, these Chaves knives are good lookers, aren't they? Yeah. Anyway, our first little look here. Yep. Hope everyone had a great holiday. Hope you have a good day. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing.